Now to draw a figure, we need to start with the head. So here what I will do is I will make a line and then make a gravitational line which will go straight down. This is a 10 head croquet that I am making over here. Now from this side you take 1 inch, this hole is 1 inch and this becomes 1/4 inch. We will make the head over here. Go 1/4 here, 1/4 here. Take a round shape. Once you reach to whole of the half, at this side you make a curve inside, push this down, and as we reach here, take this down and make a steep turn inside and get this curve. Make a steep turn inside and get this curve. Now at this point, we'll make the ear. So ears will start where this line will start. Okay, so you extend this point, you extend that point, and you make this line. Then we have got that line, and then you see this side. Wherever this curves end, there you make this line. Now here you take a curve outside and get a sharp turn. Take a curve outside and get a sharp turn. Push this down, push this down. Now from this side you take 1/4 inch or half inch, whatever the neck that you want to make, but what I am taking is 1/4 inch over here. And once you reach here, you take 1 inch, make a straight line. You take 1 inch over here, make a straight line. So this is where your bust line will be, this is where your waistline will be, and go 1/4 inch, this is where your low waist will be. Now take 1 inch over here, this is where your crotch will end. Now you do one thing, you just see how the pose will be moving. So that is how we'll be making the shoulder line. From this side what we will do is, we'll take a straight line from here and we take 1 inch from this side and 1 inch from that side. You come to the waist. So here also what you do is, you take 1/4 inch and you take 2 counts, 1 count and 2 count. You take 1/4 inch from here and you take 2 counts, 1 count and 2 count. Now we make the balance line over here. So what my pose is doing is, the pose is straight over here and it's bending towards this side. So what I will do is, from this side I will make a line and from this side we will push this towards this side. Now we'll tilt the shoulder a bit more. So you make this side like that. Here I'm making a line like this. Here also you can make a line like that, and you make a box. So you join these 2 points and you join these 2 points. Now what is happening here is you will draw a straight line from this side. You will draw a straight line on this side as well, and at this crossing point what you do is you make a line like that and you make a line like this. Now wherever this cross, look at this line and make a line like that. After you get this line, wherever this crosses and wherever this crosses, you take 1 count here and 1 count here and make a curve like that. Make a curve like this. Now you take half of this side and you take half of this side and come straight and come straight. See this ball which will happen over here as we have done it before. Get the same ball size and at 2 inch you make the apex point. Make the apex point and leave some distance. So you need to see this line, there must be 2 counts. There must be 2 counts over here also. And you make the ball over here and over there. Get a line over here and get a line over there also. Once you reach here, get a curve. Once you reach here, get a curve and make a straight line and make a straight line. Then you divide this body into 2 equal halves. We have already done that, but we'll divide the half of the body into again half. So this will come like that and this will come like that. So this side and this side should be equal and that side and this side should be equal. You can just make it to the mid part of the thigh. That's what you can do. Now from this side you will go 1 inch here, 1 inch here and ½ inch there. So at 2.5 that you will make a line. Now this leg will fall straight and this leg I will make it bend. So what I will do is I will take this side like that, here where the knee will come at 2.5 inches, then again 1 inch, then again 2 inch and again ½ inch. There will be a ball and you make this straight. At this part you again take the same measurement, or you can just make a line and get this leg over here. So 2 balls are aside means that both the legs are clinging and 1 leg will fall here and 1 leg will fall there. So we give a fair distance over here and get this curve. Look at this line and make a curve like that. Somewhere here it will stop. So you take 1 inch over here and 1 inch over here, and then at ½ inch your ball will come and 1 inch over here. This is where the toe of the second leg will fall. Now how to make the hands? What we do here is we take a line outside like that. It will fall till the waist. Then you go straight line over here. It will fall till the mid part of the thigh, and somewhere at the crotch your wrist will be forming. This is almost 1 inch plus 1/4 inch. This is almost 1 inch plus 1/4 inch. Then this hand will fall straight. So we make a point here where the waist is. till the crotch, wrist, and at the same level you make the hand. That is how we make the stick figure first.